Morning traders, and this is the Aussie South African Top 40 day trade setup for today. So yesterday we broke out the channel. We did come back and test it, as I said yesterday, and then moved to the downside. So we'll look at the lower time frame because that's probably the only place you're going to see the price action of these two bars here. I think for the longer term view is we have closed this gap to the downside. There is one more down to the bottom. I'm going to use these top ones here. So there is another gap down here. We are looking a little bit tired. This is looking like a bit of diversion. So this is a ever so slight divergence. We haven't closed above the negative 80. So, we're still sort of mucking around down here. What I do see is the gap, and then we also didn't quite get to this level here. Ambush has stepped in fairly close to it. If you look at the lower time frames, you'll see what I'm talking about. See, that's the level, and we just got to it before moving up. Now, if you look at the price action last 2 days, down, bit of a pullback during going into the close, and then the next day down, pullback going into the close. So the question is this going to continue? The US market had a reasonably good day yesterday, so they were up 0.5%. 10 cent is up 0.7% at the moment, and the rand is still hovering around 14.98. So it's been hovering around 14.90, between 14.90 and 15 most of yesterday. So I suspect we've sort of found a bottom, but I'd like to see a higher low before I commit to any longs on this market right now. So the channel definitely didn't play out. But often when this happens, you get to break the channel, you get a test of the channel. The test is either going to hold and continue moving down, or it's going to get back into the channel. Okay, my bias right now is that it's going to get back into the channel. So this is going to be like a fake out of the channel, and then we're going to get a move to the upside. But at this stage, not quite a double bottom, but if we look at the Fibonacci of this whole move, we've been needing a pullback for some time. We're at the 50, 61.8 is further down. Okay, which is kind of a breakout retest as well. Okay, so if I use this level there's my breakout retest. Found support, found resistance, we broke out, we haven't tested it, and that's on the 61.8 of that move. Okay, so this is looking fairly interesting. If you look at the alligator on the daily, we are sort of rolling over as well. So now there is an outside chance that it's a bit of a bounce back into the channel and keep moving down to the 61.8. But for me at the moment, this is still a retracement of this bigger move. Okay, so what are we going to do today? Let's just get rid of the noise. So looking at the half hour, oscillators are, well, not all of them, but really the Williams percentage are grouped up. We are still in a negative trend. We're coming up to test a break. So I don't have a fractal here. I do have a fractal there, but that's not a valid entry. Okay, so I'll highlight it now for you. So that is a fractal, but it is below the teeth, the red line. So a break above it, not a valid entry. What you're looking for is a fractal like this, where the break will be above the red line, which is the teeth of the alligator. And that would give us a move to the upside, and your stop would be below the next fractal. So at this stage, we don't have that. What we do have is a bit of a channel here. Okay, so this could be a flag. And remember, we've got the bigger channel, which I suspect we're going to break back into. And then the question is what we're going to do inside that channel. So for me at the moment, I think hold on to your hats, wait and see what's going to transpire right now. It is relatively dangerous to keep chasing the shorts right now. Okay, so If you look at the 12 minutes, I do have two fractals on the 12 minute that I can utilize, and nothing wrong with that. Ignore this bar here, that is nonsense data. I'll tidy that up at the open. But okay, so you can see this fractal here was broken above the alligator, above the teeth there. We've come back. Well, we haven't quite come back yet, but that would be a half decent area for a long with a stop below this level here of 49,282. Okay, so there is a bit of a setup here, and you're looking at around a 200-point stop loss, so that's not too bad. Okay, so that's kind of the way that I'd be looking at this today, is looking at a 12 or 15 minute chart and looking at my fractals. So long as we are above the alligator and we break the alligator to the upside, there's a good probability for a long. Take the long, keep your stop below the previous fractal to the downside. Okay, converse is true. If we break this level here of 49,292, then longs are off and it's short it is. Okay, now if we do break the downside, then you have potential for a measured move of something like that, and that is massive. Okay, so that would give me 1,000-point moves to the downside. Okay, so yeah, so either of those two moves is possible. My bias is that we're more than likely going to break through the upside, and this is not really a channel, but it's looking to be a rounding bottom. So here's the double bottom here. We came back, we tested the break of the double bottom, move up, consolidation, move up. Now I'm looking for either a bit of a pullback, consolidation, another move up. Okay, that's kind of my bias at the moment, and I'll be looking at the 12 minute for this. So those are my fractal levels, and that's what I'll be playing. Break above this fractal, which is 49,553. So 563. No, 49,563. So break above 49,565 is probably going to trigger a long for me, with a stop loss below 49,282. And the converse will be true. If we break below 49,280, then short it is. Okay, there we go. That's my view at the moment. But again, probably wait and see until 9 o'clock and watch what happens at the open for that first 15 minutes, and then make a call on the price action you see there. But looking at the 12 minutes, this is looking like a potential reversal, but it could also just be a flag. 1, 2, 3, flag. Break to the downside, that's going to verify the flag, and then more downside is on the card. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and I will catch you later. Cheers for now.